Hi, good morning. Thursday, last day of the week. Man, it's been a long one. Got a doctor's office. His in-wall toilet tank is leaking, so we're just going to try to organize that bad boy while I wait for him to get to his office. So I'm working on this toilet over here that it leaked, and I'm like, wait a second. The air conditioner in the bathroom? Hey, listen, man. If you can afford that luxury, go for it. It's Friday today. Took down this boiler a couple days ago, so I figured it's a good opportunity to get ourselves a grill. So I'm going to take off the exterior and try to weld something together. I don't really know how to weld, but we'll figure it out. Alright, I got the thin metal cover off. Now we're taking off the foam that insulates this boiler. Here you can actually see the boiler itself. So we're going to get down to there and then cut it in half for our grill. Alright, I got the boiler cleaned off. I'm going to cut off the nipples now. Let's get that going. Alright guys, so got this cut in half. Well, not really in half, I wanted it a bit deeper. Now I gotta start taking the rest of the nipple off over there. And start getting some legs and attach things on, make it look like a grill. Alright guys, today I'm at my weekly BNI meeting, getting business done over here, networking with some awesome businesses. Alright, back on the side, we're going to get some pressure testing done on the drain lines and the supply lines. We can close things up. Yo! If my car's a mess, the box here's a mess too. This is how it is, huh? Alright, what we got going on here? You want to center this bad boy up? Huh?
I want to do a cut.
Okay.
So that I can get.
So you want to see where we're going, right?
I want to see where we're going to do it.
Alright, so pick it up. Put it in. Okay, shove it in carefully. You going? Is it in?
I don't know.
Yeah, around there. Maybe cut it a little bit long and then you can get it in better.
I'm going here, I'm doing the 45.
We'll find out. Yeah, we'll think so. Alright, so we're back on the renovation site. We got the bathtub in here temporarily. We didn't put the drywall on there yet. We got our two mixer valves right on top of each other. Everything's in a perfect line. Squared off. We're going to have a rain shower up there. And we're starting the cementing.